I don't even know how to explain
This rain system passing through, we'll say.
Yeah.
Another one passing through.
Look, it doesn't get much better after this one. We're back in this crazy roller coaster weather where we have a cold day, then a warm day, and then it rains and we get storms, and it's just that time of year for it. Hope you enjoyed the sunshine the last few days. We will not get a whole lot of it in the coming days. And we already have rain on WVTM 13 Live Doppler over North Shelby County tonight along Highway 119, Valleydale Road, Highway 280 through Chelsea up to Meadowbrook, coming up toward Lake Purdy. These are very light showers, not very impactful rain tonight. The impact from rain tomorrow fairly low until late afternoon. We'll have a few on again, off again showers Wednesday, but Thursday is the day that we get the guaranteed rain, and that's also an impact day. The timing for that from midnight to 9 a.m. Wind gusts could go higher than 35 miles per hour. Very similar to a couple of storm systems we've had recently where we get more wind and rain than anything. Well, that's how this one's likely to shape up. About 1/2 to 1 inch of rain, probably 1 inch on the high end, 1/2 inch is more of an average for us. Low severe weather potential with this. Low chance of additional showers on Friday, and then I think on Saturday we may wind up with some showers that could mix with a few snowflakes now and then. That's on Saturday, though. Here's the deal for Wednesday. A few scattered showers. It's breezy and partly cloudy. The heavier storms are going to come in late. Your better chance of a downpour would come late afternoon through early evening. Look at that, 4 p.m. Showers from Tuscaloosa westward. Those move up through Birmingham after dark. Then around midnight, a band of thunderstorms moving in from the west, losing some steam as it tracks eastbound. This is mainly just a blustery and wet kind of night, a limited risk of a few severe thunderstorms, and that is going to be it. Behind this, it will start getting cooler, but Wednesday itself, a fairly mild day. Highs back in the 70s, not all day rain. We start in the 50s, get up to the low 70s with a south wind around 10 miles per hour. 65 on Thursday. That line of storms coming in around midnight to 3 a.m., getting through Birmingham between 2 and 6 a.m. Thursday, and then really losing some steam as it tracks east. Saturday, a cold and wet kind of day. Some snowflakes may mix in with that now and then. Not expecting anything major, but it is something interesting to watch. Cold Sunday morning, a freeze likely there, and then we warm up again from Sunday afternoon through Monday afternoon. Carrie?
Jason, you know what blew into the